Okay, hi everyone, I'm Arthur from Aussie Pickers. Can you believe it? No, it's Arthur from Young Guns Motorcycles. Today we're going to try to bring out this old truck. It's been sitting here for 27 years. We've got a hitch up here on the back of the Challenger. Tried to pump the tyres up, and like, it's an effort, but let's try it. Okay everybody, it's dug in like an Alabama tick. That's not going anywhere just yet, so we'll keep playing with it and we'll have some fun. Thanks for watching guys, till next time, take care of yourselves. Hey everyone, just an update. We've actually got it out. Thanks to Saharha and Benjie for their adamant persistence, which I think is really good. So let's just check this out. It's been in that hole there for 27 years, so we had to drag it out and pump the tyres up, get it out of gear, but this is Saharha's grandfather's truck. And he was the last person to drive it and park it right here. And we're in Obley, Yeoval, on the farm of Trevor and Lynn Press. And this is it. Split screen Austin K9 Lodestar 1950. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time, take care of yourselves. Catch you later.